Make a great choice today with the 2017 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, backup camera, heated steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.